Hi friends, my name is Ashish. I am from Vedalogic Academy, and today we are going to learn some Vedic mathematics tricks which involves multiplication of numbers close to 100. So let's start with numbers, both the numbers which are less than 100. So let's say that we have 94 and 96 and we want to multiply both of them. So the main thing to remember here is the base is 100, right? So for 94, the difference between from 100 is 6, and for 96, the difference is 4 from 100. So we are going to get the answer in two parts. For the right part of the answer, we are going to multiply 6 and 4, minus 6 and minus 4. That becomes 24. For the left part of the answer, either we are going to use 94. So either we subtract 4 from it, or we use 96 and subtract 6 from it. So here we are just doing the cross thing here. So that's why the answer is anyway going to be same. 94 minus 4 is 90, 96 minus 6 is also 90. So our answer is 9024. For the second example, let's take the numbers which are more than 100. So let's say we have 106 and we want to multiply it to 109, right? So if you see here, the difference between 106 and 100 is 6. The difference between 109 and 100 is 9. So again, we are going to get the answer in two parts. For the right part, we are going to multiply 6 and 9, which becomes 54. For the left part, we are either going to use 106 and 9 or 109 plus 6. So either 106 plus 9 or 109 plus 6, which will result in the same value, 115. 11554. So this same logic can be used when we have numbers on the both sides of 100. If you see, let's take an example of multiplying 94 with 105. Okay, now again the base is 100. So the difference between 94 and 100 is minus 6. The difference between 105 and 100 is plus 5. So since we are calculating the answer in two parts here, we will do the same thing here. One thing to remember here is that we are multiplying minus 6 and plus 5. So the students who are not aware of this thing, I think who have not reached to that level in the school, so they might need to wait. But for others, when you multiply minus 6 and 5, it becomes 30, 6 5 is 30, but with a negative sign. So this thing needs to be remembered. It becomes 30 with a negative sign, right? So we'll handle it in a bit. So for now, just keep it here. For the left part, we are again going to use 94 plus 5 or 105 minus 6, the cross values. So 94 plus 5 is again 99, 105 minus 6 is 99. So from here we are getting 99 and 30 with a negative sign. But we can't leave it like that. So what we'll do is, since we have to convert this number, what we will do is 99 00, instead of 30 we'll put 00 here and we'll subtract 30 from it. So that becomes 9870, and that is our answer. Hope you liked the video and understood the concept. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe our channel, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.